What's up, guys? NJ Power here, and I'm going to do a shop reveal of what I bought at the Odd Lot store in Tannersville, PA. Everyone that knows me, that's been watching for some time knows that I've been shopping there for quite a while. But nothing special, simple stuff. I bought these two here because I have the other two. That's a 4-set. And a frog firework. Bought some soldiers for Memorial today. And hopefully they all work. There should be another one somewhere in here. We'll find it. There it is. Yeah. Oh, I got the receipt. Sweet. Some chickens. Some race cars. One of my cats. Circus peanuts. Poopy puppy. Hold on. Some Crackle Barrels. 2 Medusas. And last but not least, something actually different. Jumping Jakes. I guess they just spin around like jumping jacks or ground bloom flowers. So that is all I got. Wasn't that big deal, but prices have been going up. This was actually $47.61. I don't know if that's gonna actually zoom in, clear up. So things are getting expensive, just this little bit. All right, so yep, Odd Lot store, Tannersville, PA. $47. Thanks for watching.